Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to upload high-quality pictures on Facebook. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. If we want to upload high-quality photos on Facebook, we have to go to the settings on our device. Once you open the settings, scroll down until you can see a camera button. Then you want to click on it. In order to open our phone's camera settings, we have to make small adjustments. Here, in order to upload high-quality content to Facebook, we have to make sure that we are recording our video in the highest quality possible. So the quality of the video depends on the phone that you are using, but most phones today can record 4K video from the camera. So make sure that the 4K option is enabled in the camera settings. That's if you are recording a regular video. But if you want to record slow motion videos, then your iPhone can record up to 1080p resolution. So if your camera settings aren't set at the maximum quality, then Facebook can't upload your content in high quality. Also make sure that you tweak these settings and set them at the maximum recording quality. When you're uploading the video or picture, you can select the option of upload at highest quality. We actually get that option on Instagram, and we also get that option of Facebook. So when you select that, you will be able to upload pictures or videos at high quality on Facebook. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.